Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm gonna go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for prime time? You decide. Thought I'd do a quick product review of a tool that I've got for a towel job I've been doing. This is from Harbor Freight. It's just called a 48-inch heavy-duty floor scraper. I don't think it has a name other than Harbor Freight. It's model number 60572. If I can get that in front of the camera. I'm going to open that up in a minute and I will share with you the results. It is a 48-inch length shaft, and it says it's a 4-inch wide blade, rips up concrete, marble, ceramic tile, wood floors, roofing, asphalt, tile, or chips away plaster. So, you know, they're really selling it hard. I will know shortly. Apparently it does have a replaceable blade, but I didn't see them up there. They may have been there. One of the guys said make sure the bolts were tight before I start, so I'm guessing there's a head on the other side of this package. I'm not gonna bore you with me trying to get into this package that, you know, you have to take a jigsaw hold of. But anyway, I'll set this up in a minute and we'll see if we can get that mastic off the floor. I've been trying different tools, so this is the latest one. All right, I'm going to give this Harbor Freight tool a try down here. See the tool? Obviously, I'm at a different angle, so I'm gonna back up a little bit. Somewhat similar to the blades I use. Either blade, looks like this also tries to dig into the wood. I'm gonna lessen my angle. Back at it this way. Better angle to hit it, I don't know. Just thinking they use some severely good mastic in this house. House was built 30. I'm not going to say it doesn't work, but it's not working any better than that reciprocating blade. I don't know if there's a tool that makes this easy or not. I may have to buy another one and try it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to see. Have links in the comments. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. Also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.